Sometimes I get the impression that money in my superannuation account just appears by magic. And I'm here to tell you, if you think like that, it's not true. Hi, my name is Ahmed, and in today's video, I want to dwell into how money appears in our superannuation account. If you are an employee, your employer, by law, has to deduct a part of your income, not extra money, your income, and put it into a superannuation account of your choosing. It could be a superannuation fund, a retail superannuation, it could be an SMSF, up to you. But basically by law, it is a part of your income as an employee which goes in over there. As of the time of recording of this video, the superannuation rate in Australia is 11.5%. It is supposed to increase to 12% from the next financial year, from July 2024. It is important for you to understand how this amount is calculated. So if, for example, you're hired on a salary plus super package, what that means is your employer will pay you the salary, the agreed amount, and calculate on top of that your superannuation amount. So for example, if you have been hired at $50,000 annual salary, your employer will contribute on top of that at 11.5% an amount of $5,750. That is the amount they're going to contribute into your superannuation account. However, what if you have been hired on a package? Now this is interesting because this is where a lot of people get wrong-footed. If you have been hired on a package, that means it's your base salary, plus superannuation combined into two. So let's say if you have been hired on a package of $55,000, which is inclusive of your super, you actually back solve 11.5%, which is your salary of 100%, plus 11.5% of your super as of today, which would give you an amount of $5,673 roughly. So that is the amount which would go into your superannuation account. Now the thing to mind over here is, if you are on a package and your salary does not increase in the next financial year, when the superannuation goes up to 12%, you still remain at $55,000. In that situation, your super amount will increase to about $5,893. And that would mean that your salary amount will reduce by the same amount. So you need to make sure you're getting some increase to offset the superannuation balance. If you're with me so far, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and please like, subscribe, follow. When does this amount has to be paid? Now this is something very important for you because every few months in the media, there is some major company which is caught out where employees have not been paid the superannuation. Under the current law, the amount has to be paid a minimum of 4 times a year. So every quarter. So end of the quarter, the following month, your employer is supposed to deposit that amount into your superannuation account. So if you haven't checked lately, please go check your superannuation account. If the money is in there, talk to your employer now. Unfortunately, a lot of employers treat this money as they will pay when they pay. And then you as an employee are the one suffering, because even if the money comes in late, you're losing on your investment return there. So just keep an eye out on it. It is extremely important for you and in your interest. Now, what if you're self-employed or doing a business? In that situation, you actually have to deposit the money yourself, unless you're getting a salary from your business, in which case it will be deposited as an employee income. Now, it is important to remember there is a limit as to how much money you can contribute into your super. There are some rules around that and some tax implications for that. I'll cover the tax implications next time, but assuming if you're depositing more than $25,000 to $30,000 in your superannuation a year, talk to your accountant, your financial planner, because there are some rules around it. But if you're depositing that much, you definitely should be getting proper financial advice, not just relying on this video. This video is just meant for educational purposes. So I hope you got something out of it. I will see you next time. Bye.